Hello students, welcome to the online session for the subject of industrial safety. This is the subject which is for the students of structural engineering and mechanical engineering. This is basically the PG course. So this is in the third semester for the uh, PG students and yes, the subject name is industrial safety. So we have already discussed the what is the main objective of this syllabus, what is the main objective of this subject that will be discussed, that has been discussed in the previous sessions. So we have already started our subject syllabus. The topics that we will be discussing in this session will be in synchronization with the GTU topics. So all the topics will be discussed in this online session. So let's start with our session. So basically we are in the module number 3 of the industrial safety subject, and here the content that we are going to discuss is the introduction to the lubrication and type of lubrication. So lubrication is the method of providing the oil, lubricating oil to the equipment or to the machines or to a motor so that it can work properly in the industry, and the wear and the worn out of these uh, machines will be lesser. So it is very much required in the machines in the industries to provide lubrication to their machines or equipments. So yes, the introduction will be discussed in this section, in this session, this is online session, and the type of the lubricants that are used to provide the lubrication is discussed in this session. First is introduction to the lubrication. So why we are utilizing, where we are using the lubrication is being discussed over here. We all know that in industry machines are working regularly. They are coming in contact with each other. They are reciprocating. They are moving. They are rotating. They are swinging. So definitely more than two surface will come in contact with each other. When they come in contact with each other, they will have a aberration over one another. We can say that we can find there will be a roughness that we can't see with our naked eye, but the roughness will be found. And if the roughness between the two surfaces is more, then the friction between them will be developed. And if the friction is developed, then the wearing of the machine will start, and it will basically reduce the design life of the machine. So it is necessary that the production or the formation of this roughness on the surface should be reduced. And in order to make the machine work longer time, it is necessary to provide something like lubricating oil, which will prevent the formation of the roughness on the surface. So basically, it is a method to reduce the friction between the two surfaces by providing a lubricating oil, and this process is termed as the lubrication. The main objective of the lubrication is to reduce the roughness on the surface, prevent the roughness on the surface, and reduce the friction, and ultimately the design life of the machine will be raised. Types of the lubricating oil. The types of the lubricating oil are circulating oil, machine oil, gear oil, grease, steam cylinder oil, spindle oil, wire rope lubricant, solid and synthetic lubricant. All the types of oils are being used in our daily purpose. We are using grease in the industries, we are using grease in our automobiles, we are using circulating oil, we are using synthetic oil in our bikes. So these all are being used in our daily life. So we will be discussing it more. First is circulating oil. The circulating oil generally it is having the viscosity of 32 to 370 centistokes. It is highly resistant to the oxygen. and stable at higher temperature. It is used in turbines. Paraffin is mainly used in turbines and steel rolling mills, and for heavy machines, the naphthalene is used. Gear oil. It is basically mineral oil. It is used in low, medium, or heavy duty applications. The viscosity is having a wide range. Uh, by adding suitable additives, the strength of the film means the oil film can be increased, and as a result, the load taking capacity of that film will be increased, or we can say that it can be raised. Machine oil and spindle oil. Both the types of oils are discussed in this. Machine oil are nothing but the red oil that we are using in our automobiles. It is also known as the engine oil. Basically, lubrication is the main purpose of this, and it is generally provided at a higher pressure with the oil pump to the lubricating bearing. Next is the spindle oil. Spindle oil is having the range of viscosity of 10 to 32 centistokes. It is formed from the petroleum products. It is highly resistant to oxidation and it is used to lubricate the motor. Means generally it is used in more automobiles. Next is steam cylinder oil. The steam cylinder oil is generally used to lubricate the cylinder that is surrounding the motors. This is the thick oil that is applied to the steam. It is really highly resistant to the pressure, temperature, and moisture. And it is having the mist, and the mist is formed by atomizing and mixing it with the steam. Next is wire rope lubricant and grease. Wire rope is generally more sticky oil. It is having more stickiness, and it is generally used for the lubrication of the ropes. While the grease, we all know that grease is used in every part of engine, automobiles. It is used, machines is used. It is generally made up of the addition of the petroleum and the metallic oxides. Metallic wide range of metallic oxides are being available. It is having a wide range of viscosity. It is quite stable, and it is used to reduce the normal friction up to the lubrication of the bearing. Next is solid synthetic lubricant. So the first of all, I need to discuss the list out the examples of the solid synthetic lubricant that are bentones, boron nitrides, fuller earth, graphite, molybdenum disulfide, mecane zinc oxide. And such kind of synthetic lubricants are highly used in motors, heavy cranes, metallic cutting machines, then other heavy duty equipment. For example, cranes that can be either any kind of excavating or lifting or machine lifting, any kind of crane. The synthetic lubricant is very much required. So, and it is highly used in motors, automobiles. These are all the things that is being used. I mean, it is all the applications where the synthetic oil is also used. Synthetic oils are also used in our automobiles, and verity, as we have discussed over here, also it is also written that it is used in motors. So also in cuttings, the trunk cutting machines, there also the synthetic lubricants are being used. So these are all the applications of the solid synthetic lubricants. So this is Professor Akash R. Suthar. This is my online session of the industrial safety, and thanks for attending this session. See you in the next session, and this is an online platform where we can share a subject so that it is being the knowledge can be gained online also. So thanks for attending the session. See you in the next session. Thank you.